Students, welcome to another exciting class of factorization, and we are going to start with the next sum that is factorization sum number
from my book 21.
The question is, find the value of the constants a and b if x minus 2 and x plus 3 are both factors of the expression x cube plus ax square plus bx minus 2. Clear? So let us continue. First we are going to write let fx equals to x cube plus x square plus bx minus 12, terming it as equation number 1. Next we are going to write, given x minus 2 is a factor of fx. X minus 2 is a factor of fx. By corollary 1 of factor theorem, you may write, you may not write, okay. By corollary 1 of, we're doing factor theorem sum, so it will be factor theorem f2 is equals to 0. f2 is equals to 0. So let us substitute the value of 2 in place of x. So it will be 2 cube plus a 2 square b into 2 minus 2 equals to 0, because x minus 2 is being said as a factor of fx. Clear? Okay, let us proceed. It will become 8, it will become 4a, and it will become 2b minus 12 equals to 0. Ultimately we are going to get 4a plus 2b, 8 minus 12, we are getting 4, so it will be for this side minus 4, going that side it will become plus 4. So we are going to take it as equation number 2. Okay, there is no space. Let me rub this portion. Also, next part, also x plus 3 is a factor of fx. Fine, x plus 3 is also a factor, so obviously the remainder will be 0 here also. So by corollary 1 of factor theorem, corollary 1 to factor theorem, it will be f minus 3. So it will become minus 3 cube plus a minus 3 square plus b minus 3 minus 12. Let us continue. So it's going to become minus 27 plus 9a minus 3b minus 12, and as you all know, it's a factor, so obviously the remainder will be 0. So let us sum it up and it will become minus 39 minus 27 minus 12 minus 39. We're going to bring it this side, okay. For our benefit, I'm going to put 0 this side, okay. So it will become 9a minus 3b equals to minus 39 going that side, so it will become 9a minus 3b equals to 39 plus 39, and we are going to term it as equation number 3. Now we are going to subtract equation number 2 and equation number 3. Let us see what the outcome is. I'm going to rub this portion, okay. Now subtracting equation number 2 and 3, we're going to get 4a plus 2b equals to 4. 9a minus 3b equals to 39. Okay. To make them same, make them equal into, I'm going to multiply this equation with 3. I'm doing it in a shortcut way. You need to do it in a traditional way, that is a long cut. Long cut means you need to write the statement for this thing. Okay, so I'm writing it. I'm multiplying the equation number 2 by 3 and equation number 3 by 2. Fine. So let me multiply. It will become 12a, it becomes 6b, it will become 12. This side will become 18a, it will become minus 6b, it will become 78. Let me sum them up. Just getting it cancelled. Okay. Oh, by mistake I've written subtracting, it will be adding. Adding 2 and 3, no sign change. Okay, so 78 plus 12, it will become 90. This will become 30a. So a, we are getting 90 by 30 as answer is 3. For a we got 3. Now let us calculate b. Done. Remember, this is not going to be subtraction, it will be addition. Previously I've written subtracting, it will be adding. Okay, I'm rubbing this portion. We got the answer for a. Now let us get the answer for b. We're going to write, putting the value of a in equation number 2. Okay, so let me write down the equation. 4a plus 2b equals to 4. 4a plus 2b equals to 4. We got the value of a as 3, so it will be 4 into 3. b equals to 4, so it becomes 12 plus 2b 4. Let us change the position, it will become minus 8 and b becomes minus 4. Clear, guys? We're done with the sum. Let us move on to the next one. Next sum. In my book it is 25. The question is, if ax cube plus 3x square plus bx minus 3 has a factor 2x plus 3. Okay, fine. And leaves remainder minus 3 when divided by x plus 2. Excellent. Find the values of a and b. No, it's excellent, it was not written, it's I'm saying so. Find the values of a and b. With these values of a and b, factorize the given expression. Okay, fine, let us continue. So first, the sum number 20. Let me write number 7. Okay, that hits the bullseye. It hits the bullseye, so it will be, let fx equals to ax cube 2 plus 2x square, sorry 3. Let me check here. It's 3x square plus bx minus 3, terming it as equation of 1. Okay. Given is your 2x plus 3. Given 2x plus 3 is a factor. Factor of fx. So by corollary 1 to factor theorem, so it will become 2x plus 3, it will become f minus 3 by 2 equals to 0. Let me make minus bit prominent here. Minus 3 by 2 equals to 0. I hope it is clear. Is anything getting cut? Okay. I hope it's clear. Okay. There's thumbs up here. Fine. Let me substitute the values. As it's a factor, so remainder will be 0. Fine. Let me substitute the value. It will become a into minus 3 by 2 cube plus 3 minus 3 by 2 square plus p minus 3 by 2, bit long. Okay. Fine. So let us calculate minus 3 and 2 will become minus 27 by 8a. It will become plus 27 by 4. It is going to be minus 3b by 2 minus 3 equals to 0. Fine. Let me do this calculation. Did I miss the b? No. Fine. Let it be and a together, notes together, and note other side. Okay. 27a. If we do the LCM between them, it will become 8. So let me write it short and also put the implies sign. 27. Fine. 27a. So it's going to be minus 12p. Fine. And at this portion, minus 27, it will become minus 27 minus 12 by 4. I did the LCM between 1 and 4, it will become 4, and after approximating multiplied, minus 3 will become minus 12. Fine. Equals to 0. Let us proceed with this portion here. Minus 27a minus 12b fine. My 27b will become 15. LCM 8 and 4, it will become 2. 0. Clear? Okay. Yeah guys, I need to rub this portion again. Have you copied it down? Done? Okay, fine. I'm not rubbing this portion because I need this. 27a minus 12b will become plus 30 equals to 0. Fine. Now let me change the sign. It will become plus 12, it will become minus 30 equals to 0. We can cancel it, we can make it short. Okay. So things becomes 27a, okay, plus 12b. We're going to shift this thing to this side. Let us take 3 common. It will become 9a, 4b, and 10. Fine. We got the equation number 2. Next part. Now next part, as it is said that it will going to leave remainder minus 3 when divided by x plus 2. So when fx gets divided by divided by x plus 2 according to remainder theorem. I'm writing it according to remainder theorem. We are getting remainder as minus 3. Yeah, I missed the minus. Yeah, so remainder is minus 3. Let us proceed with the sum. Let us substitute those values. Okay, a. So in this case, we are going to get I shouldn't write this as fx. Oh, sorry. Yeah, fine. My mistake. Fx. We are going to substitute the value of x with minus 2, so it will become a minus 2 cube plus 3 minus 2 square plus b minus 2 minus 3, and the remainder is obviously minus 3. I'm doing it all together. Otherwise, I would have done it separately. Then, according to, I would have written this thing. But now I'm doing it all together. If you want me to do it that way, then it's fine. But we can also do this in this manner also. It was going to become 4, it will become 12, it is going to become minus 2b, it will become minus 3. Clear? Let us substitute the values. We are going to get minus 3 equals to, can you see guys? Okay, there's a problem. Okay, I need to rub this portion. So it will become minus 3 minus 8a minus 2b. It is going to become plus 9. Shift that side. It is going to become 8a minus 8a minus 2b we are going to get it as minus 12. Let us change the sign. Everything will become positive. 8a plus 2b equals to 2. We'll term it as equation number 3, and we're going to solve equation 2 and 3 by simultaneous equation like the previous sum. Yes, like the previous one. I'm going to get the value of a and b, and after that we're going to substitute the value and factorize a hell lot of work. Fine, let us proceed. Solving by simultaneous equation 1, 2 and 3, solving equation 2 and 3 by simultaneous equation. Fine. Let us write 9a plus 4b equals to 10. It is 8a plus 2b equals to 2. So we are going to subtract, but before that we need to cancel. I chose to cancel b. You can, it's up to you, can choose a, but it will become bit lengthy and hectic, so we must avoid that thing. We're going to multiply this thing with 1, we're going to multiply this thing with 2, and it is going to become 9a plus 4b equals to 10. This thing would become 16a plus 4b equals to 24. Fine. Clear? Now this is equation number 4, and this will become equation number 5. Now we are going to subtract equation number 4 and 5. I'm wrapping this portion again. It is becoming plus 4b equals to 24. Let us change the signs. It's cancelling. Okay, I'm just right here subtracting equation 3, equation 4 and 5. Okay, subtracting equation 4 and 5, I'm cancelling this. It is going to become minus 7 by a. It is going to become minus 14, so a is going to become 2. So a is becoming 2, and what are we getting for b then in that case? Let us substitute a value, putting the value of a. Let me put it in equation number 4. Okay. Clear? Don't forget the implied sign. We're going to shift it. We are going to get 10 minus 18. Let me continue. I'm writing it here. So 4b becomes minus 8, and 8 equals to minus b equals to minus 2. So we got the value of a, we got the value of b. Let us put them here in the equation and factorize it. I'm wrapping this portion. Very lengthy sum. I'm putting it here. 2x cube plus 3x square. Fine. Minus 2x minus 3. Now we need to factorize this thing. For that, we are going to divide this thing with. We're going to divide this thing with x plus 2. For this, we're going to divide this expression with 2x plus 3 because that was a factor. So that in that case, the remainder was 0. So we're going to divide that, and we are going to look for the quotient. Let us divide. I'm not writing down the statement again. I'm going for a simple division thing. Okay, so let me write 2x plus 3, and but you guys need to write the statement here. Okay, same procedure which I taught you in the last video. It's 2, then it has to be x square. X square is going to multiply, it will make it x cube. It will become 3x square altogether. Fine. Oh, all are getting cancelled. Fine. We need to bring both of them together. We need to factorize this thing. 2x cube plus 3x square minus 2x minus 3. Let us factorize it. Okay, what's common between them. Okay. So if x, let me take here x square is common, so it will become 2x plus 3. Here from here I'm going to take 1 common. 2x plus 3, we are getting 2x plus 3 and x square minus 1. So the factors what we are getting here are 2x plus 3, a square minus b square, a square minus b square. We get a plus b and a minus b. So we're going to get x plus 1, x minus 1. Very lengthy sum, but we are done. Thank you, students.